Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about referencing an article or chapter in an edited book in APA 7th edition format. First, invert all individual authors' names. Add a comma after the surname, and then write given names in initials. Following that, provide the publication year in parentheses and add a period. Afterwards, provide the article or chapter title without italics. Capitalize the first letter of both the title and subtitle, as well as any proper nouns, and add a period. Then write the word "in" followed by the editor's name, which should not be inverted. If there's one editor, add "ed" after the editor's name. If there are two or more editors, add "eds" after the final editor's name. Then add a comma and the title of the whole book in italics, the page or page range in parentheses without italics, and a period. Finally, include the publisher's name and add a period. You should also include the DOI if it's available. Check out the ELSS website for more resources, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.